In this video, we'll look at how Access Server assigns static IP addresses and manages address pools for user groups. Let's quickly look at how they work. The static IP address pool is used when you assign a static VPN IP to a user who isn't in a group, or who belongs to a group without a group-owned subnet. You can configure this pool under VPN Server and Subnets. It isn't configured by default, so you'll need to create it before assigning static addresses. Any static IP you assign must fall within this pool. The default group address pool provides dynamic IP addresses to users who belong to groups without their own subnets. You can also create a group-owned subnet that is dedicated to a specific group. To configure one, click Groups, select the group, and scroll down to Networking. The group-owned subnet defines the complete subnet, while the dynamic subnet range defines which addresses can be dynamically assigned. For example, you could use 10.0.0.0/24 as the group subnet and 10.0.0.10 through 10.0.0.50 as its dynamic range. Just make sure the dynamic range and any static addresses assigned to group members fall within the group-owned subnet.